Hi kids, let's draw and paint the capital and small alphabets. It's capital D, it's small d, D da duck. It's capital E, it's small e a elephant. It's capital F, it's small f for fish. Enjoy the painting. I used blue color in capital D and small d. I used orange color in capital E and small e. I used green color in capital F and small f. Let's read with me, kids. Capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f. Subscribe my video for next series.